ladies, this is an unboxing. I've never ordered one of these wigs before. I'm not doing a review for them. I decided because of the price, it was on clearance, and I saw it on somebody else, but it is the Delectable Mono Lace Front Wig, final sales. Both wigs, each wig was about $35 a piece. And I didn't want to pay shipping. For just a few more dollars, I could buy two. So I bought them in two different colors, final sale. And I thought, what a great opportunity to look at a wig for some of our ladies who cannot afford to spend $100, $200, $300, $400 for a wig. I'll give you my honest opinion, and that's why I'm videotaping it. I have not opened this box. So this is Delectable in color F2412. Now, I'm not sure which color that is right off the top of my head. Okay, here it is. Comes in a nice box. It explains their lace front. This wig is packed inside out for an important reason. Okay, it's packed very much so like other hair I have bought in the past. Held in place by bobby pins. And you know what? I'm surprised. I'm surprisingly happy to look at these wefts. That they are not spaced real far apart. Now look at that. There's the mono part and the lace front. Now I notice a little bend in the lace front, but that might just all be because of the packing, the way it was packed. I'm stuck on a bead. Okay, there we go. I'm surprised. Okay, so I can't return this wig. So I'm going to take her net off. Give her a little shake. I'm not going to give her a crazy shake. I just want to wake her up a little bit. I hope I have my comb. If I don't, I may have to go get him. Pause this for a second. Okay. Oh, it's not huge. Okay. Here we go. You know what? I'm impressed. I have to honestly say I'm impressed. And I'm not just saying that. It's got nice stays in it. Now remember, ladies, I have a small head. I did not take in the adjusters. It's an average size. I'm surprised. Now it does have a nice amount of hair. Well, ladies, I'm just for $35 blame. I'm not unhappy. This is Delectable by the Wig Company. Now, you saw what I did. I took her out. I gave her a light shake. I have run my fingers through her hair. That's the lace front. I can't see to adjust her, so I need to put some root touch up on that. She's not even fighting with my glasses. Girls, Thumbs up, and you know what? They're discontinuing this wig. And for a small-headed person, I might have to wear, oh, I got her in another color. Hold on. Oh, they send you a little catalog. That's looking good on the front. Be right back. Another box. I'm going to take this one off. I have got an event, as you can tell. I'm dressed up. I have got a dinner and meeting to go to tonight. And I had to try these on. I am so surprised. Okay. And they secured these in there pretty darn well. It just is. I got a gray one. Now, like I said, I don't want to shake the tar out of this one. That's her out of the box, just a little shaking. And I'll take all the tags off later. She's got Velcro fasteners. I do see a little bit of shedding, but you know what? I've had that on higher end wigs. Now, I don't know, what do y'all think? I think for $35. Now this one does fit just a scotch, bigger. She's got stretch in her. And what I do if I wore her tonight, y'all know I like to take the hair down from the temples and the sideburns. What do y'all think? $35. And I'm going to tell you, I like the feel of the fibers. So there she is. Delectable. By the Wig Company. Who knew?